Hello, my name is José Manuel Saez. I am professor at Spanish National University of Distance Education. And this time I'm going to show you learning analytics. For Horizon Report, this is time to adoption is 1 year or less, so it's very close in time. And we can say that learning analytics is an application of big data. So we are talking about information in educational processes. So it's a branch of statistical analysis that was originally developed as a way for business to analyze commercial activities. So pretty much learning analytics is how to work with data, with information, and know what's going on in our processes. So we make decisions, we learn about what works in our process, what doesn't work. So students know everything about the process. When they join a virtual learning environment, they know the time that they spend, they know all the interactions, this is very interesting for students and for teachers. So teachers can assess very carefully with accurate way, and researchers have information to compare, means to work with the statistics. So these reports are very good for improvement in any way. As you can see here, the Horizon report, key emerging technologies, learning analytics is framed in learning technologies. So it's one way to have this categorized. Learning analytics are use web tracking tools to know what students are using, so to understand behaviors, to understand variables. So it's a way to have information that can improve the learning processes. There are some examples like the Western Interstate Commission for Higher Education, funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So as you can see, learning analytics are very important nowadays. There are some examples detailed in Horizon Report 2014. And you can see here the big data in education. As we said before, learning analytics is a branch of big data. So education it's very important to have information and data in the educational processes, the pedagogical processes. So we can assess, we can investigate, we can understand what's going on in any process, in any activity. Another example is competency map here in Capella, at Capella University. When students have information about the competencies they are acquiring, they are learning, so it's a good way to have more information in the process. You can see here more information, class attendance, reading reactions, so very important interactions, learning from playing a game, learning game reviews. So this is a very interesting way to understand what's going on in the educational processes. In this case, in this example, is grade graph. So pretty much this is learning analytics. So thank you.